pretty sad to find out that my green onions are partially dead because I forgot to water it for several days and it's super dry. So I found this plant watering globe that looks like it could be a solution. See how it says consistent watering. No more worrying about your plants. There are lots of good reviews, so I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try. So this thing is actually super hard to peel off from the support. I have decided that instead of have a giveaway raffle under each video of my channel, what I'm gonna do instead is have a monthly giveaway. I will set a monthly goal for my channel, and for every milestone it reaches, for example like 100 likes and 10 subscribers for this November, I will pick a winner from all the comments under my November videos, and the winner gets to choose what giveaway they want from all the models in my videos in that month. At the end of this video, there's a email adding tutorial. I can only find you if you add your email to your profile. That's how I will contact the winner, and the winner gets to choose from all the prints I printed under this month's videos. Okay, so we're finally gonna test it out how this thing actually does the self-watering work. I'm gonna try when I actually put it in the soil. This thing drains out in 10 seconds. Wow, I doubt that it really does the self-watering work. Or is it that my print is too small? So I did a replay in a different contrast to highlight that how quick it goes. I guess that it might just be a solution for direct watering to the root area of your plant. If you have better solutions, please comment and let me know so I can try it out. I would also recommend this trash can pot to people that want a cheap pot for plants, but you know, most of the plots they have very intricate designs so that they print with lots of filament. But if you are a person that just want a functional pot and doesn't care about its design, trust me, you want to get this trash can that you see both use just 100 grams of filament, but yeah, you can see the real difference.
Here is a tutorial on how you can add your email to your profile. On the top right corner, click on your profile image and click Create Channel if you have not. After that, click on YouTube Studio. In the left you will have many options. Go to Customization. Scroll down until you find Contact Info, where you will be adding your email. After you've finished, you can check by going to the top right corner again. This time, click on View Your Channel. Then, go to More. This is how I will contact you if you are selected.